so much. So this is what Purple Morning has been doing for the last 2 years, and I would like to first call the foundation of Purple Morning, that is Shravani Devdhar and Shakti Anand. A little about Shravani ma'am, who's my mother. She's a national award winning filmmaker, and she started her career in the 80s when there were no women filmmakers in our country at all. So I'm very proud that, and then she went on to winning her national award for her first film, Dapanna.
Good evening, everybody. I'm very overwhelmed with emotions when you see your child doing so well. Sorry, I'm bragging about my own daughter, but sitting there was seeing her go ahead in life. It feels very, I have no words, because her father passed away 10 years before, and it was her father's dream that we have our own production company. In fact, we had done a film with both of them for AB Corp, Karonda, which did not get released all that well, but they've always had this dream that we should all as a family come together and have a production company. And I feel so proud that Sai Shakti have taken that legacy ahead, and I hope you all keep your good wishes and blessings for the family, that we will be able to stick to doing good content and try and improve with every coming year. Thank you so much for being here.
I would like to invite, without whom these films or probably this production house wouldn't have happened. First and foremost, the cast of the films who have been there for me, and the kind of love that they've always shown. I call her my God fairy. That's Renuka Shahani, Renuka Tai. Anything I write, I call her up and I ask, I said, Renuka Tai, would you? And I mean, imagine her saying, turning around and saying, I would be honored to. So for me, it's a big thing. She's like the backbone of everything. Thank you so much. Thank you. I would like to call Girija, who has been a very, very old friend. And when I called her up for the film, I mean, she was just so, thank you so much for doing the film. Wouldn't have been what it is without you. I would like to call Mansi, who's in the film. I would like to call Rajat, Vidya, who's done the song. My brilliant choreographer, Pallavi, please come. Please. Kriya, Suraj, without whom I think Purple Morning can't happen at all. Please, Shubham, Ritik. We have a very small team, but I think we are all enough for about 100 people. So, please, if I missed out on anyone, please come on stage. And Parash, please, you also, because he started off, the second film which I directed was produced by Parash. It was called Silent Eyes. It was, and two another very special people. One is Nakshatra, my daughter, who is come here to cheer me today. Please come again. Who's also acted in. So Father's Day is very special to us because he shot it in the lockdown. I shot it on my phone, edited it, and I really felt like it was time to talk about the mothers who've been going out in the COVID, who've been frontline duties, and that was a tribute to them. So yeah, it wouldn't have happened without my daughter and my husband. And Aarti, please come. You are very special. Come. I would want Renuka Tai to say something. Please.
First of all, I want to say that women directors are something that all of us should really encourage. And I'm so proud of Sai. I love Shravani Tai, and I am so happy that they have started this YouTube channel for good content. And Shakti, congratulations to you too. And whatever concepts that she comes up with, they are so beautiful, so heart-touching. In a time when there's so much hate around us, it makes you look at films and see the small little emotions that really touch your heart. So I really love the things that she writes and directs, and I love being directed by her. She's very particular about what she wants and what she doesn't want. And I really am very, very emotional about her actually.
Yes.
Yeah. So wish you all the very best, and I'm sure that as
The journey
I
is
love
yours.
the films that you put out, I'm sure that everybody else will also love the work that you're going to put out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Thank you.
making me a part of it.
Thank you. There are many, we are also first timers in a way. So Mansi, who is acting for the first time, she's faced camera for the first time, and she's done a brilliant job. So big round of applause for her. Rajat, who has always been there, he's just told me कि मैम आप जो भी करोगे, I want to be a part of it. So, and he's done a fabulous job. And of Girija, please.
I don't know what to say. Me and Sai go back a very, very long way. We've, I think, known each other for 15, 16 years now. And when she called up and she said that she would like to do this and would like me to be a part of it, I was extremely happy. So thank you so much for considering me. And I couldn't have said anything else but a quick yes. And we shot the film in a day. She's absolutely particular about what she wants and how she wants it. And it was so amazing to watch her direct because I haven't seen her do that before. She's a very strong-headed girl, and I'm sure everything that she puts her heart in is going to be amazing. So I wish her luck. And like Renuka Rai said, we've loved the films. I'm sure everybody will love them too. So thank you.
So much, thank you. Pallavi, she's been the choreographer for the music videos, so it was an absolute new genre for me. The grammar was completely different, but since she was there, I knew that we were on the right track.
Thank you. I think you are the positive force for all of us who got us together on the team, and we had an amazing magical video, and she's the magical lady. And yes, we all have enjoyed, even the singers, they were amazing. It just came together, and I think you all must watch it again and again and listen to this song. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you.
And Vidya, who was so generous, I have known him for 2 years. And I completely love his music. He's got a very different kind of music. You know, so when he had made me hear this song, it was a rock meets thumri. I was quite excited and I said, you know, we should do this. So,
Okay, I think it's very overwhelming when people say good things about your work. And like I said, when we made this song, I've always been influenced by Indian classical as well as the Western side, so I like to play around with it. And when I shared this song with Sai, she's like, we have to do a brilliant video along with this one to go. And I was ecstatic about it because, you know, from whatever little I've known of Sai over the last 2 years and whatever body of work she's done in the past, I was like, okay, the song is in safe hands.
thank you so much. Thank you. So thank you so much, and from here on I feel the journey has just begun. We are also getting into TV. We are doing 2 serials for regional channels, regional Marathi channels, and there is another film, digital film in the pipeline, which I will be talking later. Hopefully everything materializes, and as I said, need all your good wishes and blessings, because honestly without that nothing is possible. So thank you so much. Thank you for coming here today, and we really hope that we reach the stars and beyond. Thank you.